How to create pay pin. Are you facing issue to create pay pin on Binance application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To create a pay pin on Binance application, first of all, open Binance app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now just simply tap on your profile icon. After you click on profile icon, you'll be forwarded to this interface where you can see this option for verification, security, and Twitter. Tap on security. After you click on security, you can see multiple options over here. Options like passkey, authenticator, email, password. Just simply tap on this menu icon. After you click on menu icon, you will be able to see options like password, pay pin. We are looking to create pay pin, right? Just simply tap on pay pin. After you click on pay pin, now create a pin. Make sure that no one can guess it or don't use guessable numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure to create a strong pay pin password. Once you write it down, click on confirm. As soon as you click on confirm, your paid pin will be instantly created. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to create pay pin on Binance. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.